Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you? I hope you are fine. So today is my bonus task from Gate.io project Candy Drop 55 Candy Drop X MBG by Multibank Group MBG. Trade and invite friends to share 187 500 MBG. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So thank you so much all my Gate family join my live stream and my today is my another project and bonus task from Gate.io. So you can see the introduction from my project is Candy Drop is Gate Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. We are excited to launch the MBG token airdrop event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share to total prize pool of 187 500 MBG with a maximum indivisible share of 650 MBG. Details are the following. So next we have details of this. So first for trading pool 50,000 MBG, maximum 50 MBG per person. So spot trading pool 87 500 MBG, maximum 3 MBG per person. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So thank you so much all Gate users, my Gate family. Thank you so much. Join my live stream. So you can see my another bonus tracks project from Gate.io. So we are discuss to details of our project. So next is invite friend price pool 50,000 MBG maximum 300 MBG per person. So next is airdrop calculation formula indivisible candy amount total candy of all users multiplied by price pool. So event period July 2022 2025 14 UTC July to July 31 2025 14 UTC. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So next we have to join now our project. So you can see official page of our project MBG ongoing. So MBG is the first ever token backed by Multibank Group, a global financial giant. MBG token is backed by the real strength and built for the real world utility and serious growth potential. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. Go on the source Gate user BCD Ego Tycoon 82 Little Kin Abrar Hussain Gate user B5F Gate user 37 and Ronishan Gate user 507 Gate user C1E Gate user OEF Gate user C1E Gate user CE6 and Adangio and Lukash and Shakura 34. Thank you so much Shakura 34 to join my live stream and good to see you Shakura 34. And next Gate user 3BE and Alexian Gate user 38D and Gate user 50 and Skyfall. Thank you so much all of you for joining and thank you so much. So you can see the official page of our project. So next we have total price pool is 187 and 500 total price pool and 16777 participants and events and in 6 day 23 hours 30 minutes and 05 seconds. So join now to click here so you can see register. So you can see the Registration open. The roadmap. First step is registrations open 22 July 2025, and next one is event ended 31 July 2025, and third one is airdrop 10 August 2025. Thank you so much all of you. And Skyfall, Lone Sophia, and Gate User BBA, and Little King, Sam 888, thank you so much Sam 888. Join my live stream and good to see you. And Sunny Ryan and make 20 money, Gate User 484, Gate User double D7, and again Skyfall and Gate User CFC. Thank you so much all of you for joining. So next is Gate User CFC D-25 Dinner Chicken Love Ahmed Acton Airport CryptoDoll. Thank you so much CryptoDoll for your joining. Gate User 3BE and Donaldo. Thank you so much for your joining and compliments from CryptoDoll. So thank you so much for your joining and welcome. So next is Danlado and Gate User 3BE and Gate User 507, Gate User B4E and Evando and Gate User AE2. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So good to see you all of you. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me. Drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. तो आप सभी जो है वो अपने लाजमी जो है अपनी राय शेयर किया करें, कमेंट्स किया करें. मैं हर कमेंट्स का ही जवाब देता हूँ आपके सामने. थैंक यू सो मच CryptoDoll, Shakura 34 and Sam 888, and thank you so much again CryptoRex. Thank you so much for your joining CryptoRex, CryptoDoll and CryptoZone. Thank you so much. And CryptoRex, hi everyone, CryptoRex, welcome. Join my live stream. Thank you so much. And CryptoDoll की तरफ से मैसेज आया, this stream is a pure जो है from the content to your reactions. Everything is just perfectly enjoyable and engaging. So thank you so much CryptoDoll for your compliments. Thank you so much. So again compliments from CryptoRex. Keep it up, bro. Thank you so much CryptoRex for your compliments. And again Mohammad Ibrahim Mola, thank you so much for joining. Gate User 4DF, Gate User 30F, thank you so much for your joining. You see our project. And again CryptoDoll compliments. Thank you so much CryptoDoll. Your stream is amazing and truly complicative the audience. And again, when you stream, people sit and you listen to your stream with great interest and enjoyment. Thank you so much CryptoDoll for your compliments. And again compliments CryptoRex. This stream is pure joy from the content, your reaction. Thank you so much. And again CryptoDoll, you're doing good. Keep it up. And CryptoRex, your stream really captivated the audience. Thank you so much CryptoDoll and CryptoRex. आप दोनों का ही बहुत शुक्रिया बहुत ही प्यारे कमेंट्स के लिए. उसके बाद आए हैं सतोष एंड बिस्कुई. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच अगेन CryptoDoll and CryptoRex for your compliments. So guys, Gate User 3FE and T-Rex, thank you so much T-Rex for your joining. So guys, next we have complete task to share 187 500 MBG prize pool. So first one is first sport trade poll 50,000 MBG, 50,000 MBG total tokens, 50 MBG individual share limit. So first is complete task and share prize pool. First in login and participant. Second one is complete task, and third one is clean up to 50 MBG. So this activity rule is. Thank you so much CryptoRex. Another compliment. Your stream is full of joy and entertaining. Thank you so much CryptoRex for your compliments. And again Jaldalo and Arhede, thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much. So guys, don't forget and like me. So drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. तो आप सभी कमेंट्स करा करें लाजमी. मैं हर कमेंट्स का ही जवाब देता हूँ और रीड करता हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. And Gate User 3BE. Thank you so much, Gate User 3BE. So next is activity rules. User who have not traded spot after joining Gate and make their first MBG spot trading with a volume of less than and equal to the 2000 USDT sum of the opening plus closing position scanner candidate from the 50,000 MBG reward pool. So thank you so much all of you. So next we have is spot trading to share 87,500 MBG. So 87,500 MBG total tokens and 300 MBG indivisible share limits. So complete task and share pool. So first one is login and participants, and second one is complete task, tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, and third one is clean up to the 300 MBGs. and एक्टिविटी रूल जो है वो सेम है जो हमने पहले पढ़ा था. तो थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूज़र 3BE एंड गेट यूज़र 0C8 and Ronishan and Mushtaq 280 and MK 1975 and gate user C82. इसके बाद जावेद. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So thank you so much all of you. So again, gate user C19. Thank you so much C90. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So next we have invite new friends, share 50,000 MBG. So 50,000 MBG total tokens and 300 MBG indivisible share limit. So same ही task हैं इसके, complete share tries pool, login, complete task and clean up to bonus. So next we have, so thank you so much Muhengi to join my live stream. Finally आपने भी हमें join कर लिया Muhengi. So Muhengi compliments, good live stream for current market and other. I am happy for. So thank you so much Muhengi for your joining. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and supports me, and good to see you my live stream. आपको देखकर हमेशा ही खुशी होती है और आप हमेशा आके अच्छे से ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. तो आप सारे ही कमेंट्स किया करें क्योंकि कमेंट्स के थ्रू ही हमारी आपस में गपशप लगती है. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मी. तो गुड टू सी यू मुहेंगी. हाउ आर यू मुहेंगी? तो मुहेंगी ने भी ज्वाइन करा है हमें मुहेंगी. तो मुश्ताक 280. थैंक यू सो मच मुश्ताक 280 and gate user A2A. Thank you so much gate user A2A for your joining, and gate user A08. Thank you so much for your joining. So next we have, it's FAQ, frequently asked question. So we have 4 frequently asked question. So Ego Tycoon, Accord Con, thank you so much 82, and Abdul AI Anon, thank you so much for your joining, and thank you so much all of you who compliments me. So next we have FAQ from our project. So first one is, what are the requirements to the participants in the candy draw? So answer is, user participating in the candy drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data will be conduct. Market makers, enterprise and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Agent account cannot participate in find innovations type events while other events have no restrictions. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So Jabri 08, Jabri 008, thank you so much. And gate user 188, thank you so much gate user 188 for your joining. So next FAQ we have, when will candies be distributed after the completed task? So answer is candy will be distributed within the 1-3 hours after users complete task. Please log in the check the candies obtained from the candy drop after 3 hours. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. Thank you so much Gate user 144. Thank you so much Gate user 144 for your joining, and thank you so much all of you for your compliments, and thank you so much Gate user 30F. Thank you so much Gate user 30F for your joining. So third we have FAQ is invitation reward have not been issued. So answer is only users who register via the exclusive referral link generated on the Candy Drop invite friends event page and complete the required task will be the eligible for the candy rewards. No reward will be distributed for referrals made using invitations code or links from the other pages. Additionally, if the referred user participates in another referral campaigns, the referrer will not be receive rewards immediately. So thank you so much all of you, and thank you so much Gate user 30F and Gate user 144 to your joining. Thank you so much. So next we have FAQ for our is what are the first sport and first future trading tasks? User who have never conduct any sport or future trading after joining Gate can claim this task by making their first sport future trade of the specified token and reaching the cumulative trading volume requirements during the event periods. User can complete the task and receive events rewards. So you can see the FAQ. So thank you so much Button Lake. Thank you so much Button Lake and Skyfall for your joining. So to see you Skyfall. Thanks to meet you. So next we have so our first one first sport trading poll rules. So first sport trading rule poll pools user whose very first sport trade on Gate is in MBG with a trading volume less than equal to 2000 USDT will earn one candy. The total reward pool is 50,000 MBG maximum per user. 50 MBG reward rule as follows. So next is volume of the first MBG sport trading volume 200 USDT and one candy. So second one is sport trading pool rules. During the event, user with the cumulative MBG sport trading volume buy and plus sell uh, greater than equal to the 5000 USDT will receive candy reward and share the 87,500 MBG pool. Each user can earn up to 9 candies with a maximum of 300 MBGs per person. Reward rules as follow. So thank you so much Baden Lake and this name lesson and UID 144. Thank you so much UID 144. आप बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको देख के अपनी लाइफ में आप हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं UID 144. थैंक यू सो मच एंड गेट यूज़र F28. थैंक यू सो मच आप भी हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच स्काईफॉल आप भी हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं. मेक 20 मनी थैंक यू सो मच आपका भी आप भी हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं. गेट यूज़र C90 थैंक यू सो मच all of you for your joining. Thank you so much. So and again I have gate user EF7. Thank you so much gate user EF7 and again Baden Lake. Thank you so much Baden Lake to join my live stream. Thank you so much all of you. So we discuss the MBG trading volume less than and equal to the 5000 USDT one candy. MBG trading volume is greater than equal to the 7000 USDT is 3 candies, and MBG trading volume is the 10,000 USDT 5 candies. So thank you so much Nasser Web 3 thank you so much, and Girulus and Celsopai, thank you so much, Celsopai and Girulos एंड नसर वेब, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। आप हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं लाइव को, आप सभी का शुक्रिया। तो अगेन आए हैं शाइनिंग स्टार एंड क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, आप दोनों का भी शुक्रिया लाइव में आने के लिए। आप लोग भी हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं लाइव को। गेट यूज़र 391, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। So third one of our project is the invite friend prize poll rules. During the event, for every successful invitation of one valid friend who registers and completes less than and equal to the 2000 USDT MBG spot trading, you can receive one candy with the maximum of 10 candies. All candy holder will be share a prize pool of 50,000 MBG with a maximum reward of 300 MBG per person. Not to qualify as a valid referral, user must register through the exclusive event link and complete less than and equal to the 2000 USDT in the spot trading of MBG. Referrals who have the participant in the other invitation companions will not be eagle for candy rewards at the event. So thank you so much, Shining Star, for your compliments. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good to see you all gate users. So walaikum assalam Shining Star. So again compliments I have. Wishing you endless success and happiness with your stream journey. Keep shining bright. Thank you so much Shining Star for your compliments. Thank you so much. So again join करा है gate user 4A8, gate user CE6 and Discovery. Thank you so much Discovery for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much Discovery. So again join करा है gate user 689 ने, thank you so much 689. उसके बाद अरहेड ग्राइल, thank you so much, and Merculium, thank you so much. Gate user CE6, thank you so much for your joining, and gate user F9E, thank you so much for joining, and Taskia 7722, thank you so much, and gate user D30, thank you so much for your joining. And again another compliment from Discovery, thank you Crypto MacBook. So likewise Discovery, and good to see you to join my live stream. And Nick, thank you so much Nick, join my live stream. Thank you so much. And how are you Discovery? To see you, how are you Discovery? So thank you so much all of you. So next we have project introduction. So guys, project introduction. MBG is the first ever token backed by the multi-bank group G Global Financial Giant, with the multi-bank group combined assets valued at the $29 billion and the average daily trading volume exceeding 33 billion. The MBG's token is backed by the real strength. So thank you so much. ईगल क्वीन ने ज्वाइन करा है, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड डिस्कवरी का अनदर कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम फाइन देयर एंड यू. So thank you so much Discovery, I'm fine, alhamdulillah, have a nice day. Thank you so much. And again join करा है क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन for your compliments. Walaikum assalam, and thank you so much Discovery for your compliments, very good. So thank you so much. एंड डिस्कवरी की तरफ से गिफ्ट भी मौसूल हुआ है हमें, थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी फ्रॉम योर गिफ्ट्स, थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So again joining Shining Star and make 20 money a little king. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. And Shrimp, thank you so much Shrimp Kevin, thank you so much all of you for your joining. And Discovery की तरफ से another compliment, and thank you so much Discovery, good to see you, have a nice day. Thank you so much all of you. तो हम बात कर रहे थे अपने प्रोजेक्ट की. So and bullet for the real world utility and the serious growth potential. This is where established finance meet to the future of Web3. Token MBG official website from this link and X website from this link. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much gate user 82A and gate user 550. Thank you so much for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much all of you. So guys, we are discussed from our topic, and again joining our headache, right? Thank you so much gate user BCD1. Thank you so much. And gate user 75AA. Thank you so much for your joining. So guys, we have notes of our project. So first one is participants must click the join now button on the event page. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event task and identity verification to receive reward. So gate user 75A and Discovery, thank you so much Discovery to again join my live stream. And Little Gim, thank you so much to join my live stream. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So we are discuss our topic. So notes. So second one is rewards will be distributed to users account within the 40 working days after the end of this event. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So next compliments from Crypto Champion. Good job my dear, you are the also nice and cool live and streamer. Thank you so much Crypto Champion for your compliments. So next join kara hai Satosh. Thank you so much Satosh for joining. So third one of our notes is it is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts engaged in malicious wash trading, self-buying and self-selling or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified user will be considered the same accounts. Sub-accounts are not allowed to the participate in activities. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and good to see you all of you. Thank you so much. Fourth one of our project is market makers, enterprise and institutions are not allowed to the participant in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in the friend invitation type activities while other activities are unrestricted. Thank you so much Yabo and gate user 012, gate user D30, gate user 52 502 and उसके बाद है जूनियर बेला. थैंक यू सो मच जूनियर बेला, सो मच, आप हमेशा ज्वाइन करते हैं जूनियर बेला. एंड अगेन शाइनिंग स्टार, थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. उसके बाद सैम्यूल, थैंक यू सो मच सैम्यूल फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग. एंड अदर थैंक यू सो मच सैम्यूल योर ज्वाइनिंग. गुड टू सी यू सैम्यूल. हाउ आर यू सैम्यूल? तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको देखकर. तो आए हैं लिशा 11, थैंक यू सो मच लिशा 11 join my live stream. Thank you so much shining star. May your reflex shape here to your stream stay strong. Best wishes champ. Thank you so much shining star for your compliments. So gate user 01E, gate user 0EF, gate user 3BE, gate user E03, thank you so much for your joining. Fifth one, so Fifth one, in the case of any discrepancies between the translated version in the English version and English version shall be prevail. Thank you so much all of you for joining. So sixth one, Gate has the final interpretation rights from this event. And seventh one, user in restrict areas cannot access all the part of the services including participant in the event, game and competition. For the more information about restrict areas, please read user argument. So eighth one is risk warning. User must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is the affected by various factors such as the market and policies. So the market is high volatile and the price fluctuations are the difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to the market risk and trading continually. Thank you so much all of you, and make 20 money. Samuel Gate user 3B5, Lisha 11 and Tuskia 77 and Samuel. Thank you so much Samuel. Join my live stream as Zephy 786. Thank you so much, and Shining Star. Thank you so much. And other comments, your voice is so sweet and you are really nice and cool live streamer doing our very, keep it up. Thank you so much Shining Star for your compliments. And Virgil S, thank you so much. And Queen B, thank you so much Queen B. And all gate user 5014449BA. And Hamin Brit, thank you so much Hamin Brit. And Taskia, thank you so much all of you for your joining. And 9BA, thank you so much all of you. So next we have, so this is the first page of our project. ये था हमारा प्रोजेक्ट का पहला पेज. तो हम चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज की तरफ. So you can see second page of our project. So Gate launch pool the 287th project MBG by the multi-bank group. MBG stake ETH over MB2 to earn airdrops. Gate will launch the 287th launch pool MBG by the multi-bank group MBG. So thank you so much Crypto Champion for your compliments, and Nimins, thank you so much for your joining. Thank you so much all Gate user, and thank you so much who compliments me. So we discuss our project second page. So Gate will launch the 287th launch pool MBG on the multi-bank group MBG. User can stake ETH over MBG to share to total of the 112500 MBG. So thank you so much Gate user E03 for joining. So airdrop for free with the reward distributed every hour. Staking period July 22, 2025 at 14 UTC, July to July 27, 2025 at 14 UTC. Total staking reward 112500 MBG. So next we have stake now to earn. Thank you so much Gate user 874. Thank you so much for your joining. So next we have stake now to earn. So guys, you can see the official page of our website. So next Gate user BBA and Tolgohan, thank you so much for your joining. And Gate user CE6 and Queen B and Sunirian, thank you so much for your joining. So guys, you can see official page of our website. So MBG is the first ever token backed by the multi-bank group. All the global financial agent with the multi-bank group combined assets value at the $29 billion and average daily trading volume exciting 35 billion. The MBG token is the backed by the real estate and built for the real world utility and the serious growth potential. This is where established finance meets the future of Web3. Thank you so much. Same Triple Eight. Thank you so much and good to see you. Same Triple Eight. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अपनी लाइफ में देखकर. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So we can see the two poll of our website, ETH pool and MBG pool. So thank you so much all of you, and Javed and gate user, all gate user, thank you so much, and same 888, thank you so much for your joining and compliments me. So first pool is ETH pool. So this description is total staking reward 80000 MBG, mining period 5 days, total reward 112500 MBG, total stake 34955.3332 ETH, participants 2121, price for hourly cap 666.66 MBG, indivisible hourly reward cap 59.99 MBG, APR is 10.61. So thank you so much CryptoEye for your joining, and thank you so much for your compliments CryptoEye. Welcome to all. Thank you so much. So next we join iHouse. Thank you so much iHouse. So next indivisible staking cap 1000 ETH. So you can see first poll of our project. So second poll of our project is MBG. So thank you so much CryptoEye for your compliments. Have a good day. Thank you so much. So all gate user F62 2D3 or no time. Thank you so much. No time to join my live stream. So total staking reward is 32500 MBG, mining period 5 day, total reward 112500 MBG, total stake 483602.96 MBG, participants 3866, price for hourly cap 270.83 MBG, indivisible hourly reward cap 56.87. So APR is 1558.4%. Indivisible staking cap is 30,000 MBG. So thank you so much all gate user, no time, and K-Town. Thank you so much K-Town. Impress of the world. Thank you so much all of you gate user 82A and 507. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So you can see the official page of our project MBG. So let's now next we have official website of our project. So thank you so much all gate user and Adichie, ADIHCI. Thank you so much for your joining. So thank you so much Mohammad Ibrahim Mullah. Thank you so much for your joining. So you can see the official website of our project. So beautiful website. It have 4 pages. So you can see. So you can see first one backed by the 27 million in the assets, and second one life is a better with MBG. So you can see, and third one is this is it backed by the TradeFi giant Beckham Group, and fourth and last one to backed by the largest RWA deal in the history. So next we have details of our project. Thank you so much gate user E03, gate user AE2, gate user 373, and again thank you so much Sam 888. Thank you so much for your joining. How are you Sam 888? Good to see you. And NJC11 and gate user BCD1, thank you so much for your joining. So we details have get all the update on the MBG tokens. Be the first to know about the latest MBG token update, exclusive announcement, exchange listing news, and community events. Join our Telegram community and follow the official X account and stay ahead in the world of digital assets. So अगर इसकी जो सारी मालूमात आपको चाहिए हो तो आप इसकी टेलीग्राम के ज़रिए और एक्स के ज़रिए जो है इसकी सारी मालूमात ले सकते हैं। तो इधर जो लिंक और इसका जो है वो भी दिया गया है, इसको स्कैन करके आप बारकोड को आप इसकी सारी मालूमात ले सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट वी हैव थैंक यू सो मच सैम्यूल, थैंक यू सो मच सैम्यूल, टू सी यू, हाउ आर यू, थैंक टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम सैम्यूल। तो हमेशा ही सैम्यूल ज्वाइन करते हैं हमारी लाइव को और बहुत अच्छे कमेंट्स भी करते हैं। How are you, Samuel? So Atacon, gate user BCD1, thank you so much. And again Crypto I, thank you so much Crypto I. Crypto I भी हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करते हैं और कमेंट्स करते हैं बहुत प्यारे से. So next we have our token built for the real world utility. Thank you so much Crypto I. And Ginkgo Play. Ginkgo Play, thank you so much for your joining. Gate user 4D040, thank you so much. So our token built for the real world utility. So buyback and burn mechanisms. MBGZ token will the fuel up buyback and burn program totally and 540 millions over the first 4 years and designed to the increase security and long-term value of holders. So next one is a seamless utility across multi-bank group, lower trading fees on the multi-bank FX, MEX exchange, multi-bank IO and multi-bank IO RWA. Exclusive tricks across multi-bank groups for businesses pillars integrated into a globally regulated finance ecosystem. High yield staking rewards, competitive API for MPG's token holders, additional token airdrop and loyalty bonus. Exclusive token rewards. Thank you so much all of you for your joining, and thank you so much Crypto I for your beautiful compliments. Crypto MacBook, you're doing good job. God bless you and your family. So thank you so much Crypto I and Amin, and thank you and likewise. Thank you so much Crypto I. And gate user CE6 and Skyfall, thank you so much for your joining. So next we have the high yield staking rewards, competitive API for MBG's token holder, additional token airdrop and loyalty bonus, exclusive token rewards. Thank you so much all of you. Gate user 82A, thank you so much for your joining 82A. So next we have be a part of multi-bank group ecosystem. So guys, हमारा जो ये टोकन है MBG means multi-bank group MBG. So we have discussed its ecosystem, multi-bank group ecosystem. So you can see this ecosystem. So next Skyfall, VIP18 and Timor 18 and Crypto Universe Lady, thank you so much for your joining. And Atocoin 82 and Gate User BCD1, thank you so much for your joining. So Crypto Lady, hello, welcome Crypto Lady. So another beautiful compliments from Crypto Universe Lady. You are doing an amazing job on this live stream. Your energy, content and vibe are just perfect. Keep entertaining us like this. Proud of your hard work always. So thank you so much Crypto Universe Lady. Thank you so much all of you. So it is real, thank you so much, it is real. And gate user D8D and gate user 724, thank you so much for your joining, and thank you so much all of you who compliments me. So another compliment from Crypto Universe Lady, good to see you again, thank you so much. Likewise. So guys, don't forget to follow and like me and drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. तो आप सभी जो है वो कमेंट्स किया करें, मैं सबके ही कमेंट्स का जो है वो जवाब भी देता हूँ और इधर आप सबको पढ़ के भी सुनाता हूँ. तो थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग and gate user A51, thanks for your joining, and Zephy786, thank you so much. So we will discuss MBG ecosystem for our project. So thank you so much Zephy786 for your joining and compliments me. So welcome my stream, thank you so much. So first is multi-bank TradeFi, and current daily trading volume is US $35 billion, and second is Max Exchange, anticipated daily trading volume US $460 billion, and third is multibank.io, Daily trading volume is US $52.1 billion. And fourth one is Multibank IORWA, or for this volume is US $10 billion. So you can see this ecosystem of our multi-bank. So thank you so much Zappy 786 for your compliments and live stream, very helpful. Thank you so much Zappy for your compliments, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अपनी लाइफ में देखकर। आप हमेशा ही आया करें लाइफ के अंदर, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। गुड टू सी यू Zappy 786। Thank you so much all of you join my live stream. And gate user 82A and gate user D8D, thank you so much. And VIP 18, thank you so much. Gate user 737, thank you so much. And thank you so much Crypto Universe Lady for your compliments. My time to stream, I gotta go. Thank you so much to your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much. So see you all later. Don't forget to join my stream as well. So inshallah I will join your stream. So much. And Zappy 7888, thanks brother. Thank you so much Zappy 78। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको अपनी स्ट्रीम में देखकर और आपके कमेंट्स देखकर। तो आप हमेशा ही ज्वाइन करा करें मेरी लाइव को और आप फॉलो कर लें। तो मेरी पोस्ट को भी आप लोग सारे के सारे लाइक किया करें और कमेंट्स किया करें पोस्ट के ऊपर भी, मैं उस पर भी सभी को जवाब देता होता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। Kaya 07 and Hamrash and 18 years of Sunless, thank you so much for your joining. And thank you so much Zefi for your love, thank you so much। इंशाल्लाह अगली स्ट्रीम में भी आपको देखेंगे, इंशाल्लाह आप ज्वाइन करा करें हमेशा मुझे। थैंक यू सो मच Zefi 786 for your love, thank you so much Zefi। So we discuss ecosystem of our project. So guys, you can see ecosystem, and next we have, thank you so much all of you, gate user 49 and again joining 786 Zappy, thank you so much Zappy, so thank you so much। So 440 millions of worth of MBGs token up to the 50% to be burned over the next 4 years. Multibank Group, the MBG's token paybank and the burn program is set to be a reach 58.2 billion in the first year, scrolling annually toward to the total burn of 14 million worth of the tokens over the next 4 years. This strategy burn is designed to drive long-term token value and strength the growth of the MBG ecosystem. So thank you so much Get User 74, Impress of the World, this Nafshim, thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much. By Junior Bella again, thank you so much Junior Bella, how are you? And Xwin, thank you so much Xwin, how are you? आप दोनों हमेशा ही लाइव को ज्वाइन करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है आपको देख। So guys, you can see official। So next we have MBG token। So guys, you can see MBG token white paper. So get comprehensive details on the MBG token utility rewards or tokenomics. So next we have token utility within the multi-bank group ecosystem. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So you can see beautiful image from this group ecosystem. Thank you so much group ecosystem, and thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me। आप सभी का शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए। Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, you can see this image and we have discussed already. So utility token mechanisms. So you can see utility mechanisms. So bridging on into the pay on chain enter the company business facilities and staking mechanisms surviving as the constant tone of the group border and enhancing customer invitation, increasing customer retention in inter-business statement. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me so much. आप सभी का ज्वाइन करने के लिए आपके सामने है ये. So next we have total allocation breakdown vesting schedule. So you can see beautiful इमेज, एक ब्यूटीफुल इमेज के साथ ही इसके पूरे शेड्यूल को शो किया गया है आपके सामने है. इसकी लिक्विडिटी प्रिविजन, मार्केटिंग, इकोसिस्टम, रिवॉर्ड और इसका पब्लिक राउंड. थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूजर join my live stream. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. Thank you so much. So guys, you can see this image, private rounds, public rounds, founder plus teams and multi-bank reverse. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, next we have the problem we're solving. So thank you so much all of you, all gate users, spinner BM, gate user AA9, return king. Thank you so much for your joining. So guys, thank you so much all of you for your joining. So you can see the problem we are solving. So these are the 8 thank you so much all of you for your joining. So wide search, lack of price discovery, best execution, thin volume, trading pairs, wide spreads, lack of regularity, frameworks of institutions, market manipulations, price differentiability, and major contributory risk, high latency trades. Thank you so much all of you for your joining, and thank you so much all gate user A51 C1 C1E. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So guys, you can see next मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप रोड मैप. तो आप देख सकते हैं मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप मैप रोड मैप आपके सामने है. इसके सारे के सारे सन वगैरह ये सब कुछ आपके सामने है, इसको आप लोग देख सकते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे पास मौजूद है मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप फाइनेंशियल ओवरव्यू, तो वो भी आपके सामने है. प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर एंड टोटल एसेट्स, इसको ग्राफ के ज़रिए, ब्यूटीफुल ग्राफ के ज़रिए शो किया गया है. उसके बाद है इसकी इनकम स्टेटमेंट, उसको भी एक ब्यूटीफुल ग्राफ के ज़रिए शो किया गया है. उसके अंदर 2021, 2020, 2022, 2023 एंड 2024 का जो है ब्यूटीफुल ग्राफ शो कराया गया है. उसके बाद हम बात करें वाई मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप. So multi-bank group was established in the Singapore, United States in 2005 and has involved in the one of the world's largest online financial distribution institution headquartered in the Dubai with over 25 branches worldwide. Thank you so much all of you for your joining. So thank you so much guys. You can see why multi-bank group. So you can see this is a so the Shemore and over 25 plus over website. So you can see beautiful image from this is. So next we have, so you can see regulations. Thank you so much all gate user for your joining. Thank you so much all of you. So you can see the regulations of our MBG multi-bank group. MBG याद रखिएगा, MBG means multi-bank group. Thank you so much all of you. तो हम चलते हैं अपने आखिरी टॉपिक की तरफ, यानी कि हमारे वाइट पेपर। तो हमारा जो वाइट पेपर है ये आपके सामने है, तो इसको भी जो है आप लोग जो है इसको देख सकते हैं। ये हमारे जो है प्रोजेक्ट का वाइट पेपर है, इसको आप पूरा ही डिस्कवर कर सकते हैं। MBG टोकन, तो MBG मीन्स मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप। सो ये पूरा ही इसका खूबसूरती के साथ इसके वाइट पेपर को डिज़ाइन किया गया है। ये आपके सामने है, इसके सारे कंटेंट्स हैं, ये आपके सामने हैं। आप इसको जो है बाखूबी इसको पढ़ सकते हैं। इसकी काफ़ी चीज़ें जो हैं हमने सारी की सारी चीज़ें एज अ शॉर्ट टर्म में हमने जो है इसको कवर कर लिया है। अगर आपने इसको डिटेल के अंदर कवर करना हो, पढ़ना हो, तो आप इसके जो है वाइट पेपर को देख सकते हैं। इसका जो वाइट पेपर है ये आपके सामने है। वाइट पेपर के अंदर इसकी इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप, द प्रॉब्लम वे आर सॉल्विंग, उसके बाद द सोल्यूशन, सोल्यूशन के अंदर पेयर 1, पेयर 2, पेयर 3 एंड पेयर 4। उसके बाद है नेक्स्ट द फ्यूचर ऑफ द स्मार्ट फाइनेंस। फिफ्थ है इकोसिस्टम यूटिलिटी। सिक्स्थ है टेक्नोमिक्स, टोकोनॉमिक्स एंड सेवंथ है कोर टाइम्स एंड एट्थ है मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप रोड मैप 2024 to 2027 एंड नाइन्थ है अपेंडिक्स एंड डिस्क्लेमर। टेंथ है आखिरी डिस्क्लेमर। अगर आपने इसको डिटेल के अंदर पढ़ना हो, फुल डिटेल के अंदर, वैसे हमने इसकी फुल डिटेल कवर कर ली है, लेकिन इसकी अनदर डिटेल आपको करनी हो तो आप इसके वाइट पेपर को जो है एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। तो अब हम चलते हैं अपने पेज के ऊपर और इसकी जो है हम लोग एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स देख लेते हैं। Thank you so much all of you for your joining, and thank you so much Kate user 00D. Thank you so much for your joining and compliments me. Thank you so much to join my live stream, and thank you so much. Good to see you. So guys, don't forget to like and follow me. Drop your question in the chat. I am here to help you out. So Kate user ने क्वेश्चन किया है, तो इनको इनके क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे देते हैं। So thank you so much all of you. So guys, and again Shemul, thank you so much Shemul. So unlocking method, so guys हम देख रहे थे प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल। अनलॉकिंग मेथड 100% अनलॉक गेट लाउंज पूल, गेट लाउंज पूल 100% unlock gate launch pool sports early staking, where you can stake your assets before the project officially launches to ensure that you are start earning rewards immediately as soon as mining begins. So reward distribution, the system will distribute token reward to users, sports accounts every hour, base account portion of assets staked each by Gate launch pool FAQ, how to participate in login into your Gate account and complete identity verification native to launch pool, hold at least 0.00003 ETH over 0.3 MBG, click stake. So thank you so much all of you for your joining. So next we have project information. So project information, MBG is the first ever token backed by the multi-bank group, a global pension agent with the multi-bank group combined assets valued plus at $29 billion in the average daily trading volume exceeding 35 billion in the MBG token is backed by the real standard built for the real world utility and serious growth potential. This is where established finance meets the future of Web3 website. So this website our also covered, वेबसाइट को हमने पहले ही कवर कर चुके हैं। So Get Labs invest disclose Get Labs did not invest by the MBG by the multi bank group MBG. तो याद रखिए ग्रुप MBG means multi bank group. So next we have nodes, is a very important topic. So thank you so much Mohammed Ibrahim. Thank you so much for your joining and compliments me. And thank you so much all of you for your compliments and joining me. So first one of our project is Gate Launch Pool. Gate Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn a hourly airdrop trading and new coins with low entry barriers and high API is the ultimate platform for capturing market opportunity and opportunity. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So second one is the please complete entity verification before the participating in the launch pool to enhance the security of your account and access to place follow. Third one, the please follow the relevant rules and with the event when participating and any cheating behavior is prohibited and occurrence of the any dishonesty will be result in the disqualification of the reward. A fourth one, in the case of differences between the translated and the original English version, in the English version shall be prevail. So fifth one is the gate results all right is the final explanation. Sixth one that this event is not be updated with the Apple icon. The seventh one, the user in the United Kingdom and other restrict locations cannot be accessed the service including participant in this event, game and competition. See the user argument for further detail in restrict location. Thank you so much all of you. The last topic of our project is risk warning. The first one is the project team does not generate that the token price will be not the lower than the initial sale price. Please invest the caution and did not invest here behind the financial capacity. Second, when the crypto project is still in the initial stage factor including the operational and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might be contribute to significant risk and advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to the underlying ability in the inherent risk with the crypto assets investment. Fourth, when the market volatility is the high and the price of token might the future decelerated due to the technical regulatory market factor. And fifth, when the technical issue with the project and platform may result in the delays and the result in the token withdrawals. Thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. So next we have gateway to crypto trade over 33,500 crypto can safely quickly easily on Gate. So take action now and stay connected. Download the Gate app and desktop. So thank you so much all of you for your joining and compliments me. आप सभी का बहुत शुक्रिया आपके ज्वाइन के लिए और कमेंट्स के लिए. तो ये था मेरा गेट की तरफ से अनदर प्रोजेक्ट एंड बोनस टास्क मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप MBG. तो आपसे इंशाल्लाह मुलाकात होगी कल. तो आपसे इंशाल्लाह कल मुलाकात होगी. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. तो ये था मेरा अनदर प्रोजेक्ट और टास्क बोनस गेट की तरफ से जो हमने पढ़ा मल्टी बैंक ग्रुप MBG. तो इंशाल्लाह आपसे मुलाकात होगी मेरी अब कल एक नए अनदर प्रोजेक्ट के साथ गेट आयो की तरफ से. तो थैंक यू सो मच. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. गॉड ब्लेस यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.